So in this video, we shall be discussing about the third strategy with which we can create support and resistance. So before doing that, we need to see that this is a very complex strategy. So I'll be showing you that what is going to happen here and what is the main difference. Suppose a trade is moving like this, and this is a support. Sorry, this is a resistance, and it is moving like a zigzag line, like we have seen this before. Yeah. So suppose it broke out. Now, when this is breaking out, according to our previous theory, we shall be buying when this support is breaking out with one candle. We shall be buying when this line is getting broken in the next candle. But in this theory, we shall be waiting for the retest theory, retest method. So our main bet is here that it will be again coming back to the entry point. Sorry, again coming back to the resistance line, and now the resistance line, which was resistance before, will be acting as a support, and it will be moving up like this. So we shall be looking to enter here instead of entering here. Okay. So why this? Because sometimes, many times, it will be saving you from immediate stop losses. Because most of the time, the stop losses which are getting hit, if you see the strategies and if you see the trades, upcoming trades, then you can see that the most of the time the stop losses will be getting hit in the immediate first few candles. So this will be telling you that if the resistance is turning to support or not. So in this case, this is a resistance here, and this is another resistance you can see. And if we move down like this, we cannot call this as any resistance right now, but we can call this as a support. So let's see what happens next. It's making candles like this. Now we have a new resistance here, and we can call, no, we cannot call this as a resistance because there is too much points there, but we can call definitely this as a new support. So one resistance and two supports are there right now. Let's move more forward. It is again consolidating, is trying to moving up. Let's extend this and let's go more further. See, as per our previous theory, we would have bought when this candle have closed here, and again in the next day this has broken this candle's high. So as per our theory one of breakout, which we have already discussed, we would have bought in this candle. Now, if you look at this chart, you will think that it may come down, right? So actually, we are not buying here as per the retest theory. Retest. Retest is all about retesting your resistance again or support. So this is a resistance. So we shall be only buying when this resistance is turning to a support. So let's see when that happens. We are not buying here. We are not interested to buy. Now look at this candle. This candle is very special because in these candles, all of the candles are touched with the resistance, and but in this candle, the opening, the low, the body, the whole candle itself is outside of this resistance. So we can call this resistance as support right now. But it was resistance till now. It broke, it retested, and it failed to go down. It denied that it will be not acting as a resistance anymore. It will be acting as a support. Now we will be entering at this point, and we'll be keeping a stop loss. Let's say we can put a line like this. This is the 12th April and 1930. 12 April and 1930 candle. Okay. Yeah, so you can put a stop loss at this point. So the stop loss can be arbitrary, you can put here also, but there's a theory that, see, this is a mini resistance at this zone, and this is also, this is a mini support. See, I'll show you the basis of the stop loss. This has turned as a mini support, and it was a mini resistance for these two candles. You can easily see it here. Okay, I am not writing that. Now let's see what happens next. We have no target because we have no resistance upside. So we shall be trailing as per the theories of swing highs and swing lows and trend analysis. Let's see what happens. So we are not moving the stop loss right now. So you can see that it has made a new, see, it went up like this. Now the management of the trade will be like the similar to the other trades, but let's do it. So it retested, it broke the line, it retested, and it shot up like this. You need to keep drawing these lines. Now the stop loss will move from here to here, and it again shot up. See, cool. Now let's move up more and see what is going to happen next. Yeah, see, it made more swing highs and swing lows, and but this is messy, so I'm not moving much there. So this has become a sideways trend sort of. The low of this candle is 161.65. The low of this candle is 161.69. So this is still a higher low than this candle. Means the low of this candle is higher than this candle. So the uptrend is still valid. So this candle's low is not yet broken. So let's move it accordingly. Our stop losses. Our trailing stop loss, sorry. Now see, our trailing stop loss is hit at this point. Also, you can argue that you can move the trailing stop loss at here when it is making the swing low there. Yeah, you can do that. But I am assuming that I have missed that. I have exited this trade at this point. So I think you have got the difference between the retest theory and the direct buy theory, which we had in the previous one. As per that, as per the theory one, we should be buying at this candle when the high of this candle is getting broken. And as per the retest theory, we shall be buying at this point when this candle is completely formed outside of this resistance area, and the resistance is turned into a support. We can call that support right now, and it is going up like that. So that is the major two difference between these two theories.